What's up, Dave? I got everything on low right now. My wife's sleeping next door. So, just wanted to hang out with you guys. Been trying to talk to some people about some things. DigiAssets, in particularly, um, and building. And it just so happens that, you know, we have some promising things coming out for DigiByte, as I stated before over and over, um, that everybody knows about, DigiAsset X. So can't wait for that to come out. Uh, got some more information about it. Uh, sounds like a pretty cool thing. Debating selling trading bags. Not entirely port or important. Um, you mean like bags that you trade back and forth, Dave, for like profit or whatever? Like completely getting out of it and get your money, taking profits on those bags. I have a few things I wanted to talk about. What one of them? Um, I don't know if you guys noticed or not, but I trimmed my beard. So this is what I really look like. Hideous, right? So I wanted to build an idea, right? Um, but it sounds like we're getting something in the works that we're going to be able to use and build. So that sounds cool. I don't know if people understand how important DigiAsset X is and what's going to happen with it. Um, so apparently, let me pull this up. I'm trying to scroll back. Hang tight. So many people have been trying to build with DigiAsset. And so one of the issues was or is that's or is or was that's on a server, and in that way it's kind of centralized, but through DigiAsset X it might probably not going to be or it will be decentralized. Sorry. So I guess the original creating your assets is on a server, So let me find what I'm talking about here. Because, I'm always for, easy use case to create an asset. And we all know the few that have been really good at it for what is available, how to do it. Like creating an asset. We know, like, if you're on crypto Twitter or on YouTube and you guys follow DGB SoCal, he's created a ton of assets, which is, in fact, some of the best ones I've seen so far. I'm pretty sure there's a lot more people that have created an asset, and there's probably all kinds of cool assets. So let's see here. We had a long conversation. Um, so basically, for me to do my own thing, I need to learn how to code. And that's about it. So I need to step it up. And I don't know if, you know, people in the DigiByte community have ran into this problem, where um, you get into crypto, you get into, like, in my case, DigiByte. And I love doing these videos and these talks with you guys. This is probably, I haven't done a solo talk and hang out with you guys for a while. I haven't been able to do interviews for a while, but we're going to continue that. We're going to have sit down talks, so that's great. There's going to be a point where I hit a fork in the road with this. And that road, or that fork, is going to show me the direction which way I need to be going. And it's not Tron. Let me get this red thing out of the way. That was a joke, by the way. Um, so still scrolling. I had information that would help me understand DigiAssets. Um, so okay, so in order to integration of DigiAssets from your own server, you have to start with a specific seed file. Okay, now we're getting technical. It's really um, it's like, so basically you have to start off with a seed file, a specific seed file. Um, so that's basically, I guess, the issue with it. But I know nothing about building. I know nothing about coding, guys. So um, I'm just trying to learn. I'm just trying to be, because you guys heard me before. I want to be useful. I want to be that guy that learns. Become more. Like I said, that fork in the road, guys. I need to start understanding my limitations, and like you've heard me say, I want to be used, to do something. So it looks like I'm going to have to go through a grueling process of learning how to code. And start off with JavaScript, first off. Um, to create like websites and apps, the front end of all that. And and I would have to learn Node.js. Wow. Uh, and learn it through Ubuntu or something like that, which is cool. I'm kind of familiar with it, right? Like you use it to basically create a node, right? To you know create a pool, right, for mining, right? So I kind of got my feet wet, or my cherry popped, you should say, with this Ubuntu and Linux virtual machine script algorithm mining node. And it was kind of interesting to watch, and basically, like, there's GitHub, and you like, or what is it? You just basically, it's like you just type in the code, like in the machine, and it will talk to the blockchain or something like that. Like I said, guys, learning curve. Not only that, we're talking time, all hours of the night, to in front of the keyboard. Yeah, sounds exciting, guys. Uh, um, so, what do you guys think? Do you guys ever feel that way? You ever feel like you've done so much, and then maybe I haven't done enough. Maybe I need to continue trying to make great videos and great content, but I feel like I hit a fork in the road, guys, and I have to choose. What are you guys thinking? Have you guys ever felt that way? Uh, Mark Marker 80, Marker 80. What's up? How you doing? Blind Dave. Same issues here. Have a great idea but can't code. Right. And some of the have great ideas come to naught when you don't have the people available to see your ideas through. The first issue would be if you didn't know how to code. Well, now you have to hire and use money and hire people, right? But now, even if you had the money, now you got to find the skilled laborers to see your vision through. And that's where I'm at right now. And I think I have to get dedicated if I want to go that path and become a coder. I don't know about you guys, but in life, if you want to grow, you have to push yourself. And it's going to be a hard road to go because I have a full-time job. Could be in the business to own a business with a friend of mine. I'm married. That's a full-time job. I'm in crypto. I love doing these community talks with you guys. I love being involved. But you can't just be me and sit back and just watch everything be done for you. You know what I mean? I want to be doing more. I want to do more. And as I'm told, it's never too late to learn how to code. I only do DOS, but seems like Python. Gotcha. Interesting. Jerry God. What's poppin'? What's poppin'? We're just talking about what I'm going through right now, which is I wanted to just talk to you guys about some things. So basically, it sounds like DigiAssets is going to be a front runner of DigiAssets. I'm pumped. For right now, it's going to be big, man. I can't wait for it to come out. Can I hype that? Can I hype DigiAsset X? Should I hype DigiAsset X? March is going to be a good month. Oh yeah, I'm definitely accumulation month, right? Guys, this isn't financial advice. I'm about sick of hearing this isn't financial advice because every time I'm saying something, it almost appears to the people that are looking for it. If he doesn't say this isn't financial advice, we're nailing him to the wall. But screw those people. I'm talking to you guys, right? And sometimes I might say, if I'm not careful, it might be used against me, even in a court of law. So I might slip up and say, hey, this is what you guys should do. So don't listen to that when I say that. What I meant to say was, this is what I'm doing. Okay. And right now, it's a great time to accumulate. DigiByte. Let's see. Can you guys see that clearly? Let me see. I can't tell. Is that one picture for you guys when I click on it? So far we're in this diamond or this square pattern. I drew it up. So it looks like DigiByte wanted to break out, guys, and it did. It went to 6 3/4 of a cent. It made a higher high, right? But it usurped that area right here. So we usurped this, and then it like wicked and usurped that into this square. I wish it stayed up there, but it's okay, guys. You know what? You know why it's okay? Because right here is your chance to accumulate as much as you can. Uh, did you see what I'm saying? I said this is your chance to accumulate. I'm sorry. This is my chance to accumulate as much DigiByte as I can. Why? Why is that important? See these arrows, guys? It's going up. That's where it's going. Okay? That's where it's going. And even if it goes sideways here, it's going to be even more of a chance for me to accumulate as much DigiByte as humanly possible. And the only way I can do that is through funds, through cash, or crypto that I paid for cash. That's it. I guess you can do it with credit card, sure, but I'm not down with that. But I could be. I could get a loan, guys, and buy up as much as I can. But that's not financial advice. I would never tell you that's a good idea. Okay, but don't listen to me right now. I'm just talking. But we're under this area. We're under this trend line right here, right? And we didn't quite stay above this. This could be short-term bearish, but I think it's short-term bearish sideways right now. Depends on what Bitcoin's going to do. Let's see what is Bitcoin doing. Okay. Well, Bitcoin did it. It wicked also above its relative recent high, right? I mean, it like did exact. This looks just like DigiByte, guys. Even to the T, right here, down here, right 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 here. Except the difference from this candle body, Bitcoin breached it. Okay, what are we on? Yeah, we're on the. How come I'm not seeing this here? Oh, we're on the 2 hour. Let's. Yeah, that's fine. I don't really care. 2 hour. That's good enough for me. So yeah, I mean, it wicked above, it breached it, whatever. Created a candle here, indecision doji, whatever you call that candle. It basically did what DigiByte did. DigiByte just had a longer wick and got shot down. People are taking profits. It's just what they're doing. So we have a lot of resistance. This is Bitcoin paired to USD. Or should I say USD paired to Bitcoin? And yeah, so it's trying to stay above. It's trying to stay above this area right here. So that's cool, right? I mean, it's going to get up here, and if it doesn't, it's going to come down a little lower. All right, so nothing new. But if it does go sideways for a little bit, that's good for DigiByte. But at the same time, DigiByte looks just like Bitcoin. You see that? Looks just like it. So whatever Bitcoin is going to do, that's what DigiByte's going to do. See, it wicked above it. Now it's down here below this area, just like Bitcoin, guys. What is this? This is a 2 hour as well. So doing the exact same thing. It's like, wow. And this is the USD chart, guys. This isn't even the Bitcoin pair. Let's check out the Bitcoin pair. I guess this is the Binance chart. It's hooking. What other chart we got here? Oh, wow. Interesting. Let's get on the daily. Wow, man. It went all the way up to 148 Satoshis. Wow. Man, why don't people just stop selling? We'd be somewhere right now. But that's okay. Like I said, like if you're in the BTC pair with DigiByte, I guess this is, it's holding, it's finding some support down here. Man, that's a crazy wick, man. So if you're in the BTC and DigiByte pair, oh wait, my bad. Here's your support line. Don't go below there. And if you do, sorry about all the shakiness. If you break this, you're probably going to come maybe right there or down here. If you literally close a candle body under this, make a lower low. Yeah, you're coming down here to where it broke out. Right here. I guess there's an argument can be made that no, you gotta, it's gonna be there for support. That's great. That's great too. But if this pair goes down and breaks that, it usually, goes down to where it broke out. Okay. So like this. What is that? Oh, okay. If it breaks this, it usually goes straight down to where it broke out. If it, if this is like some kind of support area, then great. You're going to find support there. Right there. That's drawing all kinds of weird. Right there. Okay. So trading view is funny on this brush. What else does it have? I guess it says a brush. I'm a highlighter. But... So yeah, here's your support. I guess your first. But normally it goes down, guys. So for instance, right here, DigiByte, uh, or Bitcoin pair with DigiByte went up here, it fell down, it went sideways, okay, and then it fell down all the way to where it broke out. You see that right here? Went up, came down, then broke up and made. Well, it actually went all the way down here, where it's at, and it broke up all the way up here, and then it fell or broke this area right here, right? It fell all the way down where it broke out. Okay, well, if we fall through this trend line, do you really think we'll stop here? Maybe. Maybe. Could. Okay. But it might come closer to this level first, or faster than you think. I don't know. I'm not a professional trader, guys, and I'm just trying to show you on the charts what it looks like it could do. Could hang out here for a second if it breaks here, and then just go straight down here. But let's look on the 1 hour chart. What's it saying to me? Oh man, I can't believe all this got sold off. Freaking crazy. And then we made a lower low. I mean, it's like, what the heck? You see, it broke out, fell right back down below where it broke out. I mean, that's just proof to you there that if it falls, breaks through, it comes down to where it, broke out. For instance, it broke out here, and then it falls down back to the breakout. For instance, it breaks out here, and then it falls down to where it broke out. Any more areas I can show you that? Oh, look, it broke out here, and it falls down to where it broke out. Now this one's a little bit different story here, right? I mean, this is a little bit more bullish right here. This was a great supply line if it held strong. That was a great supply line, right? But I can't draw right on the mouse. So this was a supply line, and it broke it there. It would have been like this. You get my point. It would just keep going like this. But it broke it there, and that was your first sign. If DigiByte did this and stayed on the supply line and was just fine, see it broke it here, that's your first sign that DigiByte might get through this thing, like it did. Okay. But yeah, it broke it. And so that's all I know. I know if it breaks it and it goes up, even if it goes up, it's going to come back to the supply line and see it try to jump, but more likely break through. Well, here's one, for instance, right here, right? DigiByte came up and broke out, went all the way up here, and then came back down and retested. See? But if it falls through, it would go down to this low area where it came out. Kind of like this. Broke out, came back down, broke through. It didn't quite get there, but it broke up and then finally got there. So, yeah, I mean, DigiByte is still, the whole market is still bullish. What is going on here? Oh, yeah. Okay. Right. From old days of Commodore 64. Oh, okay. Cool. Oh, the DOS. I started learning to code a few months ago. There's lots of good places to learn. Yeah, so sorry I didn't read these comments. Build Better, Pluralsight, Unlimited, Online Developer, IT, and more. I offered money but want a finished product. Seemed to only attract BS. Yeah. That's awesome. Thanks, Jerry. DGB should be respected more. It's like that legendary independent artist. Yeah, right? Christopher Carter, what's going on? Good morning, everyone. Well, good evening, Christopher. Yeah, Rodriguez. 25-cent USD end of year. Yeah, well, shoot, it could be 14 cents by the next couple months. All right, well, let's see here. So that's the BTC, and wow, look at that, guys. That's what I remember taking a look at, this pair. Someone showed it to me. Somewhere, maybe on Telegram. And this was green. I was like, yeah, buddy. Kind of sad to see this, though. But that's the downside. I mean, it could, it could just pop back up and surprise me, right? Here's your support, guys. DigiByte was up in this, this choppy sideways movement here, and was in its like own channel. Let me just remove all this. So yeah, it came down, came up, came down, came up, came down, came up, came down. Whew, man, that's a lot of ups and downs. Maybe there's a trend line here. Yeah. Okay. Well, let's just go on the daily, guys. Sorry. Not the 1 minute chart. My bad. Daily, yearly, whatever. Okay, here we go. Well, we're still looking good, guys. yeah, we got this. This trend line was broken here. All right. Still looking good on the daily. Like, who cares short term, right, guys? We're still above this trend line. And it looked like it came back to retest it. And it wicked up because we had a lot of buying power, and then it went all the way up and then got all the way down. Still good, guys. It doesn't matter if it closes red or green right here, as long as we get green candle here. A bullish engulfing candle, maybe that'd be cool. Or another one of these, right? Or one of these, as long as like this green candle. It's the red candle so far. We still got shoot like 16 hours. Who knows what this is going to look like before this closes on a daily. But I mean, if it looks like this and the little red candle down here could solidify this trend line, and then we can finally pop, finally do this. Now here is what I want to tell you guys something. We're still on the Bitcoin chart, or BTC DGB pair. Let's look at these wicks. This is a green wick, and it went down. A lot of selling pressure. Usually wicks lets you know which way the market's going to go. And this is green wick, and it just means a lot of sellers were selling here, and then we went down. Here's some more green wicks, and then we went down. But here is a green wick, and then a red wick, and we went up. We got a couple green wicks, and we went up. We got a green wick here, and we went down. We got a red wick here, and we went up, kind of. But here we have a green wick, and I don't know. I'm just looking at wicks here. We got a green wick, and we went down. We got a red wick, a big one, and it's above this daily trend line. What does that mean? And hey, we got a red wick below that got bought back up into the trend line, and we are right now at 117 satoshis, fighting to stay above this trend line. It made a higher high than its recent high. Right now it's above this high. Okay, so we got what? We got this thing going on, and it's kind of going on an upwards trajectory, sideways upwards trajectory. And we're still above this trend line. So what does this red wick mean? I don't know. Could it be bullish action? Red wicks. Well, we got one there, and we got one there. We went down. We got a green wick and then a red wick, and then we kind of went flagged and up. We got a giant red wick there and went down. But that has a bigger body, right? Bigger candle body. We got some crazy action over here. That's a lower wick. I don't know. I guess it all has to do with, wow, look at all this. This was 3 years ago. It doesn't look like we got a ton of wick action. Let's get a little closer. Not like over there, guys. Like where we're at now, it's getting a lot of wicks, but this is green wick, a lot of sell pressure. Yeah. Not too much wickery going on. Here's where we are. On the charts for DigiByte BTC pair. What is this? Let's get a MACD going, guys. Okay. Interesting. Okay, so it seemed like on the MACD, it seems like on the MACD over here, that when the MACD was wide up here, we were bullish, obviously, right? Thanks, Script, for letting us know. And then, okay, so we were bullish. We went down, though, and we were going down. We were just, going down. Then we went sideways. And then went bullish again? Yeah. But when we went sideways, we stayed on top for the most part. We had the histogram reds. That's okay. But for the most part, the MACD stayed on top of the supply line. Let's see here. Now, we reached that second peak, and looks like the MACD fell down, but then we broke through. We fell down a lot, but we didn't go below here until over here. I mean, right? So we fell down a lot, and we stayed up here. Right? Okay. And then we creeped up again, and we stayed up there, made a lower low, then we fell. This looks like a bearish divergence. Yeah. So we went down. Interesting. We went down because we got rejected. Interesting. So we went down. We were under. And then we swooped up to save the day. All right, so now we're bullish again. But we're ticking down. Interesting. We're still on top. We didn't go all the way down, right? still on top. Went up, it's gone down, still on top. Didn't go all the way down. Okay. So we could be doing this for another 104 days over here. Or this MACD could be eventually ticking up. Eventually. We did have a red day though. I mean, it was a bullish day. Or, yeah, it was a bullish day. Right? Until it had a red day. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Heavy ticks down. 7 days of red for the most part on the histogram. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 days of red, but still creeping up on the histogram. 1, 2, 3, 4. That was the video yesterday. And I said, what, 4 more days? 1, 2, 3, 4 before it comes green again. Maybe this MACD starts ticking up through, like kind of like what we did over here. Maybe like upwards here again and just stay on top, which we would go sideways and then eventually pop up like this again. Like up here, stay up here and then pop up. Like this would come up here and pop up. Right up here and make a higher high. And then tick down again. So like this. Right? And then maybe down like this again. And then finally up again. It could freaking do this for like all year. Something like that, guys. BTC. Oh, wait. If it breaks this, holy crap. We're not going to be curving like that, guys. If it breaks this area right here, this is what's going to happen. Seriously. Not like that. Like that. What? Stick. I need a new mouse, guys. That's what it's going to look like. If it breaks this. So we'll just have to see what BTC pair does. What's that measured move? That's only 175% to reach the breakout from last year, August, or what is that? August 20th or 17th, sorry. And right now, we're on some support over here. some long-term support. So trust me when I say this. The BTC pair for DigiByte better not cross down this support. Better not. It better not. What's it doing here? So is it doing this? What is it doing? This looks so much different than this or that or this. This thing looks nothing like any of this. It doesn't even look anything like, wait a minute. Oh, wrong one. Get out of here. Get out of here, MACD. Let's just get rid of it. What's that? What? What is this? I'm trying to see any resemblance. Down, up. Up, down, down, up, up. No. What is this, guys? What is this? This looks so weird. And it came from down, up, down. Could be this, guys. Oh, you're not going to give me any rectangle pattern here? What's up with that? No, oh yeah, right there. Okay. Could be this, guys. Like, oh, right here? No. This is so small though, but like, it could be in this little pattern here. Look at that. Right there. Let's take a look. We came from a high, and it's kind of sloping down, and we went low. Then we popped up a little bit, made a kind of a lower low, but we kind of went sideways and kind of popped up again, right? So we came down, rounded up, made 2 points here, and then fell again, and then came up and made this red candle. So we came down and went up, made 2 points, came down, popped up and made this big giant candle, red. I don't know if that makes sense, guys, but this thing could be freaking, if it looked anything like this over here, came down, like all this came down from a big uptrend, fell down, rounded up, made a couple of points here, fell down, and climbed back up here. Right? Fell down, made 2 points, fell down, climbed right here. Fell down from a high, see? Fell down, climbed up, made 2 points, fell down again, and made a red candle here. So what's left here? That's in between two pumps. Look at that. So this over here, what's left? That's in between two pumps like that. Well, maybe. Wait. That's in between two pumps like that. So this section is in between right here for these two. This section. Is what I'm saying, right? So this section now, this, yeah, I mean 14 cents, guys. I mean, it's like right there, right? So 14, that would be high for, that would be up here. I don't know, guys. I'm just speculating, right? I think this is what's left. Right there is upward action. It just seems like that. It's hooking real fast. It's hooking. So it's hooking. It's hooking fast. And it goes up. G Slick in the house. What's up? Hi, all. I'm feeling bearish. Might be time to take profits. I know in this trading or investing, I can't have any feelings. You know what I mean? Can't have any feelings about it. I mean, I had feelings getting into it, right? I had feelings to get into it. Now I shouldn't have feelings about it. It's hard to do, man. I don't think it's gonna crash, guys. That was just a BTC pair. I don't know. Maybe you're in the BTC pair. Here's the USD pair, which I'm mostly looking at, really, right? And I don't have any history over here, but you know, 14 cents. That was the high. So for the USD pair, we're almost there. This is how high it went for the USD. Okay, so that's the level. How high DigiByte was in USD. Let's put this in perspective. Relatively 14 cents, right there. Okay. So this is the last 2.5, 3 years ago. Okay. So this is where DigiByte is now. Right. Let me just hold on. Let me try to get this ugliness out of the way. I'm just gonna hold on. Let's just do this. Dang. All right. 14 cents. Let's see. Where is it? Right. Roughly. No. This was DigiByte. Back there. Look kind of like the graph that we saw on BTC chart. And this is where we're at now with it. Okay. Way more bullish than the BTC pair, right? I mean, shoot. What's going on? So this is what the BTC pair did. Right? Probably not that steep. Hold on. But you get my point, right? This is what it did. And that's where it's at. Oh, shoot. I'm still drawing, guys. That's what the BTC pair did. Why can't I? Oh, I erased the whole thing. That's gay. Sorry, guys. If you're gay, I'm not against you guys gay. I'm saying my gayness didn't work out. Sorry. So I'm not trying to be hateful or anything like that. Okay, so Bitcoin did this. All right. Dang, I can't even draw. I hate this. But anyway, this is USD, guys. I mean, and over here, Bitcoin, like, dude, like the difference. Why can't I grab that? There we go. Can I grab it? Yeah. Okay. So the difference, guys. Let me turn this down. The difference is Bitcoin is going to take a lot longer to on the pair for DigiByte than USD. Everybody's buying USD. Just measure it in USD. I don't care what people are saying. No, it's got to be Bitcoin. Well, good luck with that. Here's the thing. This is what it showed on Bitcoin saying. And it has a while to catch up. I mean, right? I mean, a long time. Yeah. But the USD pair is right here. It's making higher highs. It's doing that, right? They like crushed this area right here. Let me see. Yeah, DigiByte crushed this area, man. And it got, peeked its head through for a while. Keep in mind, this is 14 cents. All right, so it did that. That's cool. I mean, I like this chart way better than the Bitcoin chart. But hey, man, people are buying in Bitcoin. You know, can't hate them for it. Every time Bitcoin moves down, DigiByte goes down. So I kind of do hate him for it. No, I'm just joking. Oh boy. I hope I don't get in trouble there. But anyway, guys, I don't hate you guys. Just the trying to make a living, I guess. But anyway, so it's underneath this trend line. Um, short-term bearish, right? But it's accumulation zone for DigiByte in the USD chart right now. It's accumulation phase, I should say. That's doing what Bitcoin's doing. I wish I could do that one scale thing, but anyway, what do we got here? Well, this right here, guys, if you guys are still watching me, this thing, if we're going up, could be this first. Since I don't have any USD history, this could be this first one, right? This move. About 250% from, wait a minute. Almost, yeah, 250%. From what, the breakout right here? Oh, dang, can't see it. Hold on. The breakout, no, it's just this low. 300, 200, 200, whole thing. 300%. I don't know why that disappears when I go clicking, but okay, 200%, or no, that was 300%. Okay, so what was that? That's 400. Oh, did I measure from there? Hold on. What? Okay. Sorry, guys. Should I do the wick or screw it? You guys know what I'm saying. Oh, I'm going reverse. It doesn't work that way. Wow. 460%. Boy, that looks like a bigger move, but I must be blind. 300%. Okay. So this move could be right here, guys. I remember. I was just measuring this first part. Didn't I do that? No. Okay, that's what was going on. I was just measuring this first part. It's late in the night, guys. So 226 from the breakout of this line right there. Cool. So we could be just in this part where we're tracing and then we go up, but it doesn't look quite like it. Came up, and became bullish, really. And I'm not quite seeing that over here because we've been going bullish the whole time. We could be here, like here. That could be the area. Yeah, right there. Just like I said. So we could have this is happening slower, guys. Way slower. It's because of Bitcoin, man. Surprisingly. And we're under. On the relative strength index. Looks like we're doing fine. Yeah, guys, we're still okay here. Looks like we have a history of just big move, coming down, bump, big move, coming down, big move, coming down, bump, big move, coming down, bump. Even if it peaks through here, and then, guys, we haven't, as long as this trend line on the relative strength index is respected and it goes up again, up here, down, 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 up here, down. For some reason, guys, this is much a bigger breakout on the relative strength index. It just shows, I guess this is a bigger breakout. Yeah, it goes oversold, right? Oversold. So I guess that's the difference. We kind of went oversold here, right there. But we started at a higher level and broke oversold majorly up here. Huh. Like this. Majorly. Alright, well, we're stair-stepping up here on this trend. If it's ticking down, I don't have the middle or the EMAs out. Maybe I should bring the EMAs. Bring the EMAs. I don't see anything bearish here, guys. I mean, even back here, it broke out, and DigiByte had to come back to the 50 and climb up. Same thing here. Oops, man. DigiByte broke out, and it's going to hit. It could be eventually getting to this 50. climb up and springboard back up. So this 50, see, none of this is, man, we popped up, man. So we popped up here, created what we see here, right there, and it was green surfing all the way up for 104 days. So we could be green surfing up this, guys, within, but this is a bull market. See, it's much faster now. So, man, I mean, it's going straight up. So this 50 here, don't you love it when I just try to draw this 50 here? Could go like this. The real bullish case. It's so fast. It was fast here, but it kind of went sideways for a long time. But this 50 was cut in halfway already over here. See? Oops, dang. Guys, I'm not Dan from Crypto Capital Venture. I don't know the buttons. See how the 50 was going sideways more and not straight up? Look at this. It's going almost straight up and not where the where the 100 EMA is. That's where the 50 was back here, where the 100 EMA is going halfway. We're getting more bullish action here. We definitely don't want to cross below the 50. Otherwise, we'll meet the 100 and then try to come back up and get rejected from the 50. We don't want that. In fact, I don't think that's what's going to happen. So we came back up here. And got rejected over here. Or something like that. Maybe it was right here. Huh? Oh, where does this trend line go? Right there. Yeah. This trend line here, all the way up. It got rejected and came down to the 50. So this trend line up and got rejected, and it would come down to the 50 somewhere over here and then follow it and break out. There you go. And then, yeah, follow it up to the 14 cents. Guys, I'm not looking at DigiByte really on the BTC charts. I'm looking at DigiByte on the USD. Oh, were you guys watching that on the little screen? I'm sorry. Bro, what happened to the beer? It's still here, dude. What are you talking about? It's right here. YCD. Gonzo Boards invested another 500 into DigiByte and another 500 into OTC funds today, buying dips today. Awesome, bro. That's how you do it. You accumulate. keep stacking. The trips, aka the trips. Okay. Crypto is the best, or crypto is the best having exchanges open 24/7. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Well, guys, I just want to say, yeah, can't wait for DigiAsset X to come out. The DigiAsset exchange platform. That's going to be awesome. Just keep in mind, guys, like DigiByte is bullish right now. It's at the mercy of Bitcoin, but Bitcoin is up and down. Bitcoin's emotional right now, guys. But it seems like I showed you on the charts yesterday that, or recently, that DigiByte looks just like Bitcoin. Looks just like it on the chart. So if Bitcoin goes up, DigiByte will go up. I can't wait for the day when DigiByte goes up and Bitcoin goes down. Oh, by the way, so Gonzo, I'm getting the getting help from Brutang, and he's going to hook it up tomorrow. So hopefully tomorrow we'll get that miner hooked up. I had to get ports, so that's all it was. Now Bitcoin's trying to pop back up here. Well, trying. This might be bullish. Oh yeah. Just might be bullish. We'll see. DigiByte's definitely bullish, guys. Like, dang, right? Like even if it was playing on a pattern like this, right here, boom, boom, boom. More drawing. Here we go. It'd still go up there. Yeah, that's what I like to hear. DigiByte going up and Bitcoin going down. And this music. Well, guys, it's late here, man. It's 2:12 in the morning. Sounds kind of dark. I can't. My wife's sleeping next door. All right, you guys. Just grinding it out.